Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm here to introduce you to Ram Aurora.
Hey guys, thank you to have me again on the channel. This is going to be an in-depth tutorial about setting up a lovely cricket bat for the metaverse. A type of bat that will help you hit loads of sixes and fours in virtual reality. So I'm going to talk you through how to make it at home and then how to play with it and how to calibrate it and see what wonders you can achieve with it. So join you up with that. So here you go, my friends. This is one of the bats that I was gifted by one of my close friends, Anurag. Cheers to him. This is his family bat. It seems that his kids played with it. Then he's gifted it to me because I have a young son. So that's why it ended up with me. And basically, first thing is you load the controller onto the top of it. So after you've loaded the controller on top of it, look at on the back where the thread goes, okay, and reach a point of high tension. Once you've reached that point of high tension, drill a nail, a screw like we have done here onto it. Once you've done that, you have virtually loaded the controller onto the bat. Once that's been done, it doesn't really move. So it's really out there for you to play with. So you can use any of your old bats. A wooden bat is preferable. A small wooden bat is better because it wouldn't then hit any objects in your living room. The advantage over a controller would be that it gives you some more weight to swing. So it's building up your muscles a bit more. It's a bit of a better workout. What you need to do is basically go to the settings and go to bat settings and then look for bat grip settings. In the bat grip settings, once you loaded the controller onto your bat, as I've advised you, then all you need to do is align the bat like the way you want it to be, and there you go. You start to see this click button. You push that click button in, and now your bat is horizontally aligned. Let's align it vertically too, to ensure that you can play the right type of shots. You've got the right control. It should mimic like a real bat. Just want the right height. Don't want that too high. Controller just about sitting at the rim. And there you go. Now that's a perfect bat to play. We can go in and we can hit a few sixes, I hope. So let's go for it. Let's do a quick start. Let's see what this bat can do, shall we? So that's easy. 100% bat shield. Let's play. Good cricket field setup. So shall we start? Right, continue. So we're starting the over. Bat 1, 100%. Shielders on this side. Left fielder on the other side. A lofty stroke. We'll ensure we get a 6. And there you go. That's a 6. First ball. There you go. So it works, as you can see. Let's play something defensive next. A nice cut there, right at the edge, and that's another 4. The ball was a bit disappointed there. But hey ho, hey. Let's do another ball. Field set's changed. Again, it's gone for 10 runs now. Another cut. That's the 4. 3 balls, 3 boundaries. Okay, not bad.
Fielding has been updated.
Fielding has been updated. Guess I'll be out next. Oh, there you go. That's been lofted. It will be dropped. It's been dropped. There you go. Well, you won't get a defensive shot out of me. Let's play a straightforward defensive stroke. Oh, missed that one completely. There you go. That's a single. A top-notch banana ball, it says. So that ends up my review.
Thank you for watching our video.
Hey, thank you very much. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you found it really helpful. I hope that you hit loads of 4s and 6s in this IB cricket game. A big shout out to my friend Mazhar who requested this video. A big shout out also to my friend Anurag who provided me with that cricket bat of his. I'm really loving this. I hope you love it too. Make sure if you found this video helpful to like it and to subscribe. Many thanks.